Hey cousin, let me show you how I make this super easy locrio de salami that gets me out of any tough situation when I don't feel like cooking. All of the ingredients will be listed in the bottom bar or in the caption. Let's get right to it. I am cooking for 3, so this recipe is for 3 people, but double it up if you need more. I'm going to be cutting up, I'm going to say about 1 cup of salami, first in slices or rodajas, and then I'm going to cut this in 4. Depending how large you like your salami pieces, you'll cut it how you like. Next, I'm going to dice up half of a red onion. And again, how you cut your onion is completely up to you. In my pot going on medium-high heat, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And I like to let this heat up for at least 2 minutes. Once my oil is hot, I'm going to add in my salami. I like to add in my salami first before any of the vegetables or seasonings because I like to give it color. Then I'm going to add in my diced red onion and I'm going to move this around, followed by 1 tablespoon of sofrito. I have this video up on my YouTube channel. 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Also, this video is up on my page. And 1 chicken bouillon cube that I'm going to crumble up. I'd like to note that I like to use the chicken bouillon cubes from the Maggi brand, specifically the one that have the chicken with the black outline. Why that one? Because that's the one with the Dominican flavors. I'm going to mix this up together so that my chicken bouillon cube can break down and all these flavors can merge together. And then I'm going to add 1 orange condiment packet or 1 sazon packet. I'd also like to note, if you're new to my page, that I like to use the seasoning packets from the Accent brand, specifically this brand because it always gives great color, never too orange, never too yellow, and it's never salty, always great flavor. A more natural alternative to achieve color in your cooking would be to use aceite de bija, which is annatto oil, or you can also use ground bija seeds, which is ground annatto. Then I'm going to add in my 2 cups of washed rice, and I'm going to mix everything together so the rice can take on the awesome locrio color. To my 2 cups of rice, I'm going to add in 3 cups of water, and I'm going to mix everything together so all these flavors can marry. And then I'm going to cover my pot for 8 to 10 minutes or until the rice has absorbed all of the liquid, and this is going on a medium-high flame. At the end of those 8 to 10 minutes, I'm going to first lower my flame to low flame, and then I'm going to move my rice around and create my very popular rice mountain. The reason I do this is so that the rice doesn't get stuck to the sides of the pot. I'm going to add cilantro right over the top of my rice mountain because it still absorbs all of the flavor, but it becomes much easier to pull it out later in case you have a picky eater at home. And I'm going to cover my rice with aluminum foil. This step is completely optional. If you're not a fan of aluminum foil, you don't have to do this. I like that it allows it to retain moisture, but again, that's personal preference. And I'm going to cover my pot for 25 minutes. Set a timer. At the end of those 25 minutes when you return, your locrio de salami is done. All I'm going to do is remove the cilantro, again, easy picking for the picky eater, and I'm going to break this up with a spoon. What are you going to serve your locrio de salami with? Una ensaladita de repollo con uno plátano maduro? Eso siempre va. I make this dish whenever I'm in a bind and need to cook quickly or when unexpected guests show up. When you had no plans or intentions of cooking, this always kills hunger and it fills bellies up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.